In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Lenovo laptops slow startup in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here in the search. Now we need to type here for the settings and click on the settings tab here. Now the first one is all about we have to click on the apps. Now from here we have to just click on the startup app. Now from here what you need to do is, as you can see, these are the apps that is running in the background, or whenever you try to launch a computer, both PC and laptop, these kind of apps is running in the background, and that is the reason why you are encountering with this. So what you need to do is make sure that you have to turn off all these things, because they'll not be running in the background, so that is not going to affect you as well. Next one is all about what we need to do is after turning off all these things, you have to just go over here, type here for the control panel and just click on the control panel here. Now from here, make sure that is set into category and set this to large icons, and over here directly navigate to the power options here. Now from here you have to click on choose what the power plan do, and that's going to take you to this, and click on changes that are setting that are currently unavailable, and make sure that you put a check on this box called turn on fast startup over here and go to the save changes here. Once it is done, you have to check with, and these are the steps that need to try, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.